Hello there. Welcome to another informative session for Next Gen Taxes. It's so great to have you here. Taxes can feel a little overwhelming sometimes, can't they? Especially when you're staring at your W-2 form and wondering, what does all this even mean? But don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm Adam, your friendly guide from Next Gen Taxes, and together, we're going to break it all down. Today, I'll help you understand those tricky Box 12 codes so you can feel confident and maybe even a little empowered this tax season. Plus, I'll show you how Next Gen Taxes can make filing your taxes smoother than ever. Let's start with the basics. What is Box 12? If you've ever looked at your W-2 form, you'll notice that Box 12 is where your employer reports specific types of income, contributions, or benefits. Each entry comes with a code, like D, DD, or W, that tells the IRS exactly what kind of compensation or benefit it is. These codes are more than just letters. They can directly affect your taxes. Now let's break down a few of the most common Box 12 codes and what they mean. Code D. This one is all about your 401k contributions. If you're saving for retirement through your employer's 401k plan, this code tells the IRS how much of your income went into that account. What's great about these contributions is that they're tax deferred, meaning they lower your taxable income now. However, you'll pay taxes on them later when you withdraw in retirement. It's a smart way to save while reducing your current tax bill. Code DD. This code represents the cost of your employer-sponsored health insurance. Here's the good news. It's for informational purposes only. You don't need to include it as income or pay taxes on it. However, it's helpful for understanding the full value of your benefits. Code W. This is for contributions to a health savings account, or HSA. HSAs are amazing because they let you set aside pre-tax money for medical expenses. Not only do they lower your taxable income, but any withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are also tax-free. It's a double win. Now you might be wondering, why do these codes even matter? Great question. Understanding them helps you make the most of your tax return. For instance, if you see code W, you might qualify for additional deductions based on your HSA contributions. Or if you're saving for retirement with a 401k, code D shows you exactly how much you're benefiting from those tax-deferred contributions. At Next Gen Taxes, we specialize in identifying these opportunities for savings. Taxes aren't just about compliance, they're about strategy. Our team of experts dives into every detail, ensuring that you get every deduction and credit you're entitled to. And with the help of CPA-backed services, you can feel confident that your taxes are being handled by professionals who know exactly what they're doing. Let's take a moment to talk about some other codes you might encounter in Box 12. Code E. This represents contributions to a 403(b) retirement plan, which is similar to a 401k, but is often available to employees of nonprofits or educational institutions. Code P. Moving expenses reimbursed by your employer. Keep in mind, though, that this one is taxable unless you're an active duty military member relocating under orders. Code Z. Income from a non-qualified deferred compensation plan. This amount is subject to income tax, so it's important to include it correctly when filing. Every one of these codes plays a role in determining your taxable income, so it's crucial to report them accurately. If this feels like a lot to keep track of, that's where Next Gen Taxes comes in. We take the stress out of tax season by managing all these details for you. Whether you're filing as an individual or running a business, we have the tools and expertise to ensure you're maximizing your return. Now, let's circle back to why choosing Next Gen Taxes is your smartest move this tax season. When you work with us, you're not just getting a tax preparer, you're getting a partner. We handle everything from basic tax filings to complex situations involving multiple income streams, deductions, and credits. Our team stays up to date with all the latest tax laws, so you don't have to worry about missing out on changes that could benefit you. And here's the best part. We offer consultations for certified CPAs and pros. That's right, you can talk to a tax expert to see how we can help you save more and stress less. So, are you ready to make tax season the easiest it's ever been? Visit nextgentaxes.com today to get started. Let's schedule your consultation and put our expertise to work for you. Remember, at Next Gen Taxes, we simplify taxes for your peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And don't forget, when it comes to taxes, Next Gen Taxes has you covered.